In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic currency conversion in Google Sheets, specifically focusing on converting EUR to USD. This is a handy feature if you're dealing with international finances or just watching exchange rates for future investments. To get started, we'll make use of the GoogleFinance function within Google Sheets, which makes currency conversion a breeze. First, you'll want to click on the target cell where you want your converted currency to appear. In that cell, you'll begin by typing the equality sign, which signals the start of a formula in Google Sheets. Immediately after the equal sign, type GoogleFinance and then open a parenthesis. Now it's time to specify the currencies involved in the conversion. You're interested in converting euros to US dollars, so you'll need to type the currency pair. Enter EUR USD in all capital letters, and remember to place these within quotation marks with no spaces in between. This is important because Google Sheets understands this as the instruction to fetch the current exchange rate for converting euros to dollars. After entering this, hit enter. At this point, you might notice that while the Google Sheets pulls the correct exchange rate, the conversion result doesn't match the value you expected. For instance, €2 might not directly equal $1.17 in your spreadsheet. To complete the conversion accurately, you will need to amend the formula to include multiplication. Click back into the formula cell where you used the GoogleFinance function. After the existing formula, add an asterisk, which is the multiplication symbol, and then select the cell containing the amount of euros you'd like to convert, say, cell A2. This action will ensure that your input value in euros is multiplied by the exchange rate fetched by GoogleFinance. Just press enter once more and you'll see the correct conversion appear. But what if you have a whole list of euro values you want to convert? The beauty of Google Sheets is that you can simply drag the formula down to other cells in the column. By doing so, each entry will automatically adjust and convert according to the latest exchange rate, saving you plenty of manual work and time. And there you go. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to perform automatic currency conversion between EUR and USD in Google Sheets. This function updates automatically, making it convenient and reliable for ongoing financial tracking or any budgeting task that involves currency exchange. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.